What is up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this at-home vitamin test by Let's Get Checked. They're sponsoring this video because I've already done a couple of their other tests. The most recent one was the testosterone test for men, guys. I did that test. It was smooth, convenient. I got my results fast. So I'm going to walk you through this process today. They gave me a promo code to give you guys. If you're wanting to save some money and get your vitamins checked, today's the perfect opportunity. So Trey Jones 30 will save you 30%. If you like this test, if you find that it's convenient and easy, and you want to try it out, which I encourage you to do if you've never gotten your vitamins tested, whether it be for your mental health or your physical health, I'm going to put the link and that promo code in the top of the video description and in the first pinned comment, all right? So I talk a lot about mental health on this channel, and I always tell you guys to get these three things checked: your thyroid, your hormone levels, and your vitamin levels. If you're deficient in certain vitamins, it can throw you off mentally and physically. So we're gonna jump into this unboxing. All right, guys, so we're gonna open this up. The first thing you see is some information on how to return your sample. You can do this by scheduling a pickup with UPS, or you can just do what I do, the easy thing, and that's just to take it to the post office. Just make sure that they pick it up the same day that you do the test. Super important. Under that, you're gonna have your blood sample collection kit instructions. These are very thorough. I'm gonna open this up in a second to show you that, but it's gonna take you through this whole process and make it so freaking simple. And then you're gonna have your alpha code, numerical code. This is important whenever you're activating your kit. And by activating your kit, you have to go online and activate this before you send everything off. That's gonna be how you get access to your dashboard and your test results whenever they get back, all right? So obviously we have this. Activate your kit online first, then you're gonna fill in the details on the biohazard bag, which I'll show you that process. Then we're gonna collect our sample, and then we're gonna send back immediately. Again, this has to be picked up the same day that you do the test, super important. So I went ahead and unfolded the instructions just to show you how in-depth it is. This is what we're gonna be following today. Some key points here at the beginning. Do not miss this, guys. It says that the test needs to be done in the morning on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and then you got to return it the same day. So don't do this on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. This is just to ensure that it gets picked up and your results aren't old whenever they get there, okay? Then you got to arrange your UPS return, or just do what I do, send it to the post office. Then we go online, very important. Remember this card over here? We're gonna go online and activate our test kit, which is just at LetsGetChecked.com. It says it right here on the box, /activate, or you can just go to LetsGetChecked.com and then hit activate. So I just got done activating my kit online, a super easy process. There was no issues. They're gonna ask some medical questions and some information to build your dashboard. Remember, that's where you're gonna get your results. So that's why it's important to go right now and activate the test. But now that we've done that process, let's go ahead and collect our sample. Okay, guys, I got everything out of the box. We're gonna cover this stuff right here. First rule, do not throw away this box, okay? We're gonna put our sample bag in there, and then we're gonna ship it away in this. So I'll start with this. This is our shipping bag. We're gonna put that box in here when we're all done. Free shipping labels, so super cool. This is our sample transport bag. That's what we're gonna put our test tube in, right? Our little vial that we're gonna put our blood in. And this is what we're gonna use to prick our finger, okay? For most of us, it'll just take one finger and that'll be good enough, but they provide extra prickers in case you're having trouble getting the blood out. I don't think that's gonna be the normal case, and I've only had to use one every single time. So don't be intimidated by the fact that there's 4 of these. They're very simple to use. You just twist the top and then you apply just a little bit of pressure. It doesn't take much at all, and it pricks your finger, and then you can start collecting your sample. It's not painful or anything like that. I don't have any issues with that. Alcohol swabs to keep everything clean and safe. Make sure that you do that, all right? We have finger band-aids. I've never had to use these. And then gauze, if you wanna use it to help stop bleeding, you can use that. Again, I've never had any issues with that. The alcohol swabs have been perfect. So I just washed my hands with soap and water, okay? I used warm water so blood flow will be easy going. And we're gonna take the top off of this by simply twisting. It really doesn't take any effort at all, but here we go. Simple as that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place that on our finger. All we're gonna do is we're gonna push forward a little bit, apply a tiny bit of pressure, and it's going to do a nice, clean prick. Remember, do not use your pinky finger. Any of these other fingers will do. I'm gonna choose my ring finger. I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna push. Okay, as you can see, I got a nice little dot of blood, and it'll start to accumulate. And now we're gonna fill our test tube. Okay, so I just finished. I did actually have to use one of these little Band-Aids this time. I guess my morning coffee had my blood going a little bit. But we filled it up, and that's another important thing. You gotta fill it up to that line. Then whenever you're done, we wanna mix this up. So 10 times we wanna go up and down. And now we are gonna place this into our transport bag. So I'm going ahead and putting it in here, okay? And then we're gonna peel this off. And then we're gonna just simply fold it on top. Now we gotta make sure that we fill this information out. We then put it into our return box. We then put the box into our shipping bag. It fits in there easily. We're gonna tear this off. And it simply folds over the back just like that. Okay guys, so I just got back from dropping it off at the post office bin. Just make sure wherever you're dropping it off or whoever you're scheduling the shipment with, that it gets shipped out the same day that you take the test results. Super important. That way the results are gonna be accurate and you don't have to do some type of a retest or anything like that. Let's just try to do it right the first time. So now that that's been done, now it's a waiting game. And the cool thing about Let's Get Checked is it doesn't take long at all. So in a few days, I'll be right back here to let you know what my results were. All right, so 2 days after I actually shipped off my sample, I received a message via text letting me know that my sample had made it to the lab, which was really, really quick. And then just 3 days after that, I got notified that I could check out my results via email or on the dashboard portal that you set up whenever you activate your kit. So I went and checked them out, and thank goodness all of them are in normal range, which is a huge freaking sigh of relief because my testosterone levels that I did in my last Let's Get Checked were a little low for my age, which is concerning, but I've been trying to build that up ever since. I'm thankful that I found out, just like I would have been thankful if I found out that my vitamins weren't where they need to be, so I could either take that to my doctor or do some supplementing. But I have a well-balanced diet. I stick with that. It's been a blessing in my life. And I also take a daily vitamin every day, so I'm happy that that's paid off. But if you've never gotten your vitamin levels ever checked and you wanna do this, Let's Get Checked is the site and the company to go through. I'm gonna put this down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. Again, if you wanna save money, 30% off, especially if you don't have insurance to get these tests done. All right, Trey Jones 30 will help you with 30%. And I know some of you just don't even wanna go to the doctor right now with the pandemic, and this is a way that you can do this without risking anything, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put that down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it got you through the whole process pretty simply, and I hope you have good results like I did.